to do this, you have to have a product. You have to have a product to market. So why not purchase a product that you can own and then resell it? Okay. Now, I want to take that a step further because a lot of people are like, well, maybe I don't want to market the course. Maybe I don't want to sell a course. That's great. You don't have to. This course teaches you the skill. It teaches you all the skills that you need to market anything you want, anything you're passionate about. But I do want to let you know, if you don't know what you're passionate about or you don't have a product in the beginning, this course is a great place to start, okay? This course has changed my life. Since I purchased this course April 30th of 2023, I have made more, I'm pushing over the 30K mark, okay? All because I said yes. All because I had an open mind